It's the day of going to Koh Samui. We are buzzing to head off. We're checking out the airport. First things first, we're doing a good deed here. This lady, she I gave them £20 as a deposit. And she says she collects them. So she wants to keep my £20 though and give me some Thai money for it. So she's very happy though. You got it? Hey! That's a genuine, authentic £20. We make sure the exchange is right, you know. She's very happy. Yeah, Dimak, right? So yeah, we're gonna. There you go. Good deed for the day is done. Heading off to Koh Samui Airport. It's 7:30 in the morning. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Spotify and that'll. What are we doing that for again? Oh yeah, I'll give them a review. Yes, come on, we've got more subscribers, more followers. All right, and we got a taxi driver. Oh, hey, look at this, he's a gentleman. He's come to meet us. What a legend. Is this the whip here, yeah? Jeez. Rolling fresh. It's a good start to the morning. We've literally got when we get to the airport, we've got about 50 minutes until it takes off. So we've got 20 minutes to actually check our bag. But hey, we like living on the edge. Patong, it's been emotional. I might see you in another 10 years. But now, Koh Samui, baby. Come with us to Koh Samui? Pardon? You come with us to Koh Samui? Yeah. Holiday? Yeah. Yeah? Wait, he's coming with us now, our taxi driver. We've got him, he's gonna come. He can stay with us in the hotel, no problem. Right, we had to do a shameless plug. I had to introduce my taxi driver to my music. Yes. Craig, turn it up, baby. Yes. Come on. As I said, I'm a singer, guys, as well. So got to spread the word. What do you think? Is it okay?
It's okay.
Yeah. Kapan ka. We're in Koh Samui Airport. Hey, come on, buzzing. The best airport in the world, probably. It's so small, but it's also so big. The departure bit, it looks like a hotel. But yeah, we got you can't get bolts here, can you?
Yeah, I'll have to get a normal taxi.
You'll get a normal taxi though for this one, but yeah, we're buzzing to see this hotel.
How far away is the hotel?
It's like 15 minutes away, the hotel. Banging hotel. Actually, it might be a little bit more actually, it's in Chaweng. So, yeah, about 20 minutes in a taxi. It's beautiful. Come on ladies, Wampa Beach. The best airport in the world. Here we go. It's a really cool airport. When you arrive, it's a bit more chilled, this airport. The departure departure section is amazing. Like, if you've been to Koh Samui, I've done a TikTok on it when we came last year, but it's literally like, it's better than some of the hotels we've stayed at, like as far as the ground resorts are concerned. But yeah, I won't waffle on too much. We'll cut straight to arriving.
You will waffle.
Sorry? Say that again?
I said you will waffle, because that's...
Yeah, alright. I might waffle. But listen, we're going to cut to our amazing hotel. Bye. I did lie, ladies and gents. It's going to take 12 minutes to get to our hotel, the Mercure Samui Chaweng. So we'll see you there. Last time we was in Koh Samui, we stayed at an amazing place called Outrigger Hotel. A little bit too pricey this time, so we're staying at somewhere that is still pretty bougie, the Mercure Hotel in Chaweng. So we're really looking forward to it. We've got 2 nights there, and we actually don't know where we're staying for the next 2 nights. We have arrived at the Mercure. Look at this bad boy. Oi. This is nice. Up and cab. This is nice, baby. Look. Ooh. Jeez. This looks banging. Alright, we've got a reception. We're early, so I don't think they're gonna let us in yet, but we'll find out. Sawadee-ka. It's really nice hotel. I think we're not in there. We're not in the best part. We're in the building across the road. Oh, we didn't pay enough. Yeah, it's a really nice view, and the beach is literally like there. So you can walk. It's one of those hotels you can literally walk straight through onto their own little beach. Yeah, I think we're in the building over there. We didn't pay enough money. It did look though to stay. Like if you book now, 2 nights. I think it was like 700 quid. And we got 2 nights for 280. So, hey, win some, lose some. We have got free use of the minibar. They just said a little complimentary upgrade. We don't drink alcohol there, so you know we might have a Sprite or two. So we normally just have a water if we use a minibar. We normally get drinks from 7-Eleven. All right, we're gonna go and find out what our room looks like. So unfortunately, we're not on this side of the hotel. It's okay, it's all right. They'll give us a free minibar, but yeah, we just had some amazing food at a restaurant. Check out my TikTok for that. We did a 500 baht challenge. Sawadee kap, sawadee kap. We did a 500 baht challenge, see how much food we could get. So check out my TikTok and you can see what we got. A really, really good deal. And the place does guest rooms as well. We haven't got too nice like with a hotel at the minute. We might stay there because they do rooms from like £18 a night. Aircon rooms for 20 quid a night. So sawadee ka, sawadee ka. Yes. So yeah, the hotel's good vibes. This is the second half. Oh, okay. Jeez. Oh wow. Bougie, baby. Look at that, mate. I didn't bring my fishing rod. Could have gone fishing. Here we go.
Ah, it's hot, hot, hot.
I'm just filming on the phone today, as you can see, because I've run out of memory on the DJI.
We're on number 2.
Beard game's looking fresh, you know.
So is mine.
Hey. Yeah, I'm excited. You know what? I'm going to give you the fish islands. There we go. Let's see. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'll probably do a TikTok of this place because it's the most expensive place that we've stayed at. Look at these doors. Jeez. We've got 2 swimming pools. Hey. Yeah, no, this place. This side's nice. This is lovely. Proper Thai vibes, man. Yes. Look at the views. Woo. Come on. Have I got the key? Oh, I have got the key. 214. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, go on, Alicia, do the honours. Ladies and gentlemen, look at these doors. All right.
Wow.
Here we go. Cup and cat, brother.
Heavy door.
Look at that. Oh, cases are there. Wow.
Everything is alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything's good, brother.
Yes. Okay. And would you like something more? And you have any question? You call number 0, 24 hours.
Number 0, yeah?
24 hours.
Yes.
24 hours, baby.
Enjoy your stay.
Cup and cat, cup and cat. All right.
This is lovely.
This is bougie. Oh, the aircon is. I mean, again, I'm not a massive aircon fan, but the aircon's feeling fresh. Yeah, we'll do a bed test. There's a safe. We've even got our own little robes. Yeah, look at it. It's nice though. Yeah, it's got a good feel. It's got a good feel. I'm about to say, was there no bathroom? But there is. Here it is. Woo. Here we go. Nice walk-in shower. Come on. Hopefully that shower head's powerful. Yeah, it's nice. Let's see what we got. What's the balcony? We got a balcony.
Yeah, it's not like the
Oh, you can't. Can you go out of it though? Oh, you can't go onto it. Oh right, it's not very okay. Ain't got a very good view, but we got a good front view. All right, let's do a bed test then.
better than the one from before.
Let's hope it's better than Patong. I've got high hopes. Are you ready? Oh. Yeah, that hooked me in. That's a dangerous bed, you know. That's a dangerous bed. This could easily be night already. It's only like 1 o'clock.
No, we need to go to the pool. Pool.
Oh, this is good. Yeah, bed's very good. Yeah, happy with this. I say this room, it's not the cheapest place. It was £140 a night, but we looked to stay for 2 more nights, and it was like £300 a night. So we got a good deal. It's a bougie place. Obviously, if you stay close to the other side where the beach is now, we're going to go there in a minute. But that's a lot more expensive. This place is expensive, but yeah. We'll see you in a bit. All right, so we're heading to the beach. It's the new part of the hotel unlocked. Nice. This looks banging. The Mercure. I'm just filming on my phone. Today because my camera's charging and I've got no memory left. So yeah, we're just gonna chill by the pool. Got a book. Hopefully there's little sunbed or something going on. Let's have a little look. It's really nice. Got a swim at bar. Right. But yeah, this hotel's right on the beach as well. So you got obviously the pool. If you wanna, if you're feeling a little bit salty, you can go in. Let's just see. Oh, look at this. Very nice. Ah. Yeah, you got these little hammock beam things. I don't know if you've got to pay for those or not. You have to pay extra for something.
I doubt it.
Do you think? Do you think they're for free?
Yeah, because we paid to stay here.
Paid to stay here, yeah. We'll see. Alicia doesn't really like the sand. Look at this. Right on the beach. Really nice. Obviously we've got here late, so obviously we've lost all the sunbeds. I mean, there's some sunbeds right at the end. I'll sit on that big bag though. If we can sit in there, I think it's lit. Let's see if we can sit on it. Do you want to see? Or do you want to see if we can do it? I mean, you think they'll be comfortable? It might get a bit hot. Yeah, looks out. It's alright. So we're locked in. We are chilling here. I've never seen stuff like this before. It's quite cool, look. Literally hanging off, suspended in the air with a view like this. Wow. So yeah, we're gonna chill for a little bit. All right, it's dinner time. I think I'm gonna treat myself to a lobster. So we're having a little look.
Which one?
Ooh, I don't know. Which one? How big? They're big, aren't they? how much is this gonna cost me? Let's weigh it.
This one 800 grams.
800 grams, yeah?
1,700 baht.
1,700 baht, is it?
600 baht.
1,300.
1,600 baht.
1,300, yeah.
1,600 baht.
It's a big lobster, isn't it?
Yes, big lobster. That is one.
Yeah, 1,600 just for me.
Yeah. You like barbecue or fry? Barbecue goes.
Barbecue, yeah. What's this one? What's this one like?
This one is the small. I think.
Is there meant
Not inside the little meat. So I think you are.
little meat? Really? There's only little meat in it.
You are this one.
I'm going on like a big
Very
spender.
small.
Very small, yeah. Is it too
No,
small?
not enough.
Too small, yeah?
Too small for 1%. 1% this enough. Yeah.
It's enough. There's not a lot of meat, is there? Not a lot of meat. Will it fill me up? This big boy here. Jeez, I don't know what to do, man. It's quite a lot, isn't it? I'll be eating lavish.
Oh, this one same size.
Same size? Yeah, she's like saying. Okay, I'm gonna have a little think. We have to work this out, because we've got loads of things here. Jeez, loads of food. He's grilling it up on here.
Shark steak.
The top boy, very good. Shark.
Yeah.
Wow, you got shark steak here. He's got all the skewers. Oh, you guys cooking up the red snapper. Oh, look at that. I've never had one of these. It looks banging. But yeah, this place is really cool. Let me show you. So it's called Tropical Dinner. It looks good, man. We got a nice little corner. Spot. Alicia. Got a nice little corner spot. We've got a little doggy here. I don't know if it's a girl, but we don't know if is she friendly? Sure. Hello. Oh, she's nice. Me a little lick. So yeah, man. Looking forward to trying this red snapper. Ooh, it's gonna be good, baby. It's gonna be good. Looks nice. Is it loads of bones? Is it like bones?
No.
No bones.
Bone have
Little. You can. Little bone. Yeah, easy to eat.
middle bone.
Middle bone. Ah, okay. Nice one. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna look forward to trying it. All right, so we've got the food. It looks banging. Have a look. This is a red snapper. I have had a little bite.
It's nice.
Alicia's got a mixed kebab. We're just having a night off from the Thai food because we did have loads of Thai food for lunch. Check out my TikTok for that. But this is really nice. Can't really compare it to anything else, to be fair. Actually, it kind of tastes a bit like sea bass to a degree, but it's big. Look at that.
Have you got any bones in
What
it?
size is that? He said there's bones in it somewhere, but and I'd have to find them as I go along. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. Come on. This way. So I've got a little plate for it, I guess. We're gonna enjoy this, and then we're just gonna chill. So yeah, we'll probably see you tomorrow. I'm gonna end the vlog, to be fair. I'll end it now. Yeah, I will end it now. And yeah, I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and check out my music, baby. So I've got a brand new song coming out next month. Let's go. Munch is done. That was actually banging, I'm not gonna lie. Alicia has got a friend, look, because she didn't eat all her food. She's giving him.
Oh, good girl. Oh, yummy.
She's giving her some sausage. Is it nice?
She's all good. She just sit in everything.
Alicia, she didn't really like the sausage. It's kind of like a show. Let's see it.
Can you do that again?
Yeah, no, wait. Show me the. So Alicia didn't really like this. It's like a Frankfurter sausage.
It's a cheap sausage.
But yeah, so she's gonna give it to. We've called her Ghost. Go on, shake her hand. Do a little paw.
I will after this. Oh, oh, good girl.
Yay!
Do you want to do it?
Yeah, I want to give her some grub.
Make sure you get her to do Paul.
Good girl.
You gave it a massive big
That's a
bit.
big bit of sausage. Wow, she's had a big old munch. You wedgie woo!
There you go.
There you go. And there you go. We couldn't end the vlog without introducing you to Ghost and showing her getting a bit of food. But yeah, now we're literally going to go back to the room and just chill and embrace the fact that we've got the most comfortable bed in Thailand. Is so good. So yeah, we will see you though very soon.
I definitely need it. I'm
Plenty of action. Are we getting a pancake?
Let's go 7-Eleven. We need water. So
To be continued. See you next time.